Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine Design. I am so excited. I am back with my mystery kit from DEK. So sorry I had water on my hands. I was just in the kitchen. So I love this kit. It is so pretty. So I took it out of the main bag and I already took out the personal information. So forgive me, I did do that, but I didn't look. So clearly I didn't look because I can't even find where the sticky is. All right, so let's look at the May mystery kit. So if you don't know, there's two subscriptions with DEK. One is the mystery kit, and with it you get washi and all kinds of goodies. The other one is the big subscription box, which the big subscription box is really how I found DEK, I believe. I cannot for the life of me remember if somebody sent me things from DEK or if they sent them. I don't think they sent them, but maybe somebody sent me something from DEK, and then I subscribed to the subscription box, and then I was in love. I was hooked. I was, hook, line, and sinker. I was in. But then here recently, I discovered the mystery kit. And it's a little bit smaller subscription. So if you feel like the subscription box is too big, the mystery kit is such a nice option. So, and literally, if you did both, you're set for the month. Seriously. But it's up to you, but you can do it that way. I am super excited to have both in my life, as well as because I'm a part of DEK. I got, I was first asked to be on their PR team, and then I was asked to be on their design team. I love using these in my Bible journaling, in my scrapbooking, in my journaling, all of that. And there are still even things within the subscription box I use in mixed media. So we get ephemera stickers, we get paper, we get all kinds of good stuff. So just look on my channel. You'll see all kinds of good things about DEK unboxings. And also, you can also look at my planner videos with their goodies and some projects with DEK. And then always feel free, linked below will be their website and a discount code from, that they gave me to give y'all. So have fun and just find what feeds your passion, whatever feeds your creative outlet. So if it's planners, they've got you covered. If it's, memory keeping, there's goodies in there. And I highly recommend the subscription box if you're a memory keeper, because you get paper, it's just amazing. Look at my latest. It's amazing what you get in those boxes. For the price, it's crazy. But there's all kinds of goodies. So, even in your Bible journaling, those kits feed your Bible journaling too. And so can these. So, see what works for you. Okay, now that all said, before we get started, I just want to say thank you for being here. I'm so glad you're here today. Please, if you are not subscribed to this channel, we ask that you would subscribe because it helps our channel to grow. And it's helping me personally right now in our future endeavors. So at some point, my husband's retiring soon, and so I am trying to build something here on YouTube. And we went through some major family medical issues through, actually probably last summer, all the way through till I would say February, March, and we're still tweaking those, but we're in a better place. We're not there yet, but we're in a better place. So thank you to everybody who's been patient with me and our Etsy shop and all of that. We're in the process still of moving everything out. My husband moved everything in for the tax work instead of in his office, and it stopped my moving everything out. But that's okay. Like I said in another video, my daughter and I talked, and in between her spring and summer classes, we are going to be moving themes. I want my dining room back. I want to sit at my table, and then I want to get this room done. I'm finishing up my bedroom. There's just a lot of things. And for those of you who don't know why there's so much stuff in our home became the landing pad for everything my parents, and we were literally chest high throughout this house of their things, and it has slowly been weeded through. It is very emotional to now box things up and move them out because we get down to the lower layers and you thought you had everything out. For my parents, if there's more. And it was difficult. We lost them less than 5 months apart. We took on their businesses. We took on the estate. I mean, I'm still doing some things on the estate. I know it's been 3 years and I'm still doing things, but it was a very complicated estate. It was a very complicated medical journey with them. And, but we learned so much. And at some point, if you guys ever want me, I get so many phone calls with people asking me, what do we do for end of life planning, end of life preparation for our parents, for ourselves. Wow, we learned so much. And in order to move forward and say it was a good journey, the glass is half full, I focus now on what we learned. And there's nothing worse than losing parents, and especially both your parents less than 5 months apart. There's nothing worse. Nothing worse. And we just came through Mother's Day, and of course, it's still difficult for me because I still miss my mom. She was such a good friend. And but I'm so thankful for all the moms in my life. My sister first thing had a message out. My son repeatedly. My youngest daughter immediately. My friends, my cousins, just on and on and on and on and on. People who I work with. I mean, I could not believe the amount of love and support that was sent our way. And it is, as much as we receive, we need to give that back. And I think sometimes my husband and I've talked about this, that maybe that's our generation. Of course, that's the kind of the golden rule basis. But I think as we've gone through our journey, we were made very well aware who was really there for us and who was not. And over a period of time, and even in this last year, talk about a boiling point, you're refining out. And I literally got a message this morning from a friend who decided to just go somewhere extremely negative in her. And it's okay to share your personal stuff if you're struggling, but the other stuff, I'm done. I don't want to talk about it. I want to focus on the glass being half full. And I am very well aware of what's going on politics-wise, what's going on financially in our country, what's going on agriculturally in our country, everything you could imagine. I have a very well-versed husband, and but I also think there has to be a level of something better, focusing on something better. So this for me is one of those things. Now, is it a must-have? Maybe not for some, and I totally get it. But in the most darkest times, this was a benefit for me. It was productive. It was beautiful. It was something I didn't have to create from scratch. It was all of that. So I want to encourage you, if you look at what you do for your calendar planning, memory keeping, what have you, and you think, well, I'm just not an artist. I'm just not this. I'm just not that. Use tools like this. This will help you. If you are visually inspired, this is a great option. That's all I can say. So this particular kit is called May Mystery. Shocking, right? Anyways, butterflies, roses. I love that VW. Perfume, things for mommy, all that kind of good stuff. I think this is so much fun. Oh, look at that breakfast. Yum. So I think this is gorgeous. I love the peach and the mint. I think they're such beautiful colors. Look at that washi. Isn't that pretty? And then, of course, this is your sidebar with your half boxes. I love these. These are so great. Plus your, oh goodness, I always forget what these are called. Your habit trackers. These are so much fun. And of course, I use these for usually menu planning. So I absolutely love it. And I love the weekend, and I love the scalloped washi. It is so pretty, or scallop banner. I use those with my pennants. I think these are wonderful. They're beautiful. I love the eyelet scallops, which is what I call them. And then the half scallops. Gorgeous. Look at that gold foiling. That looks like the halo gold. It is so pretty. And then I love that she gives us lots of work stickers and then all the decoratives. So seriously, you can totally use this in your scrapbooking, journaling, all of that. You can use it in both places if you needed to. Okay, more gorgeous washi. Isn't that beautiful? I love this. It's so pretty. So, and then these are decorative headers that are just pretty. So you can see there's all different sizes. So depending on if you have a spot in your layout and you need just a little something, those are great. I love the days of the week, and I love the font and that they're pushed to the side so you can put your date dots there. More of your functionals, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I love that. Oh, thank you, Dawn. You put some redhead. You put a redhead in there. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So beautiful. So beautiful. And then here are um you can use them for photo corners, you can use them for page corners, you can use them for whatever you would like. Okay, your pre-labeled headers, your glitter headers that I just love, and I use these sometimes as washi. Your date dots, and I love how small they are. Aren't those nice? You can totally use them on those days of the week. And then you have more of your functional icons. I love the listers. So if you do listers got a list type albums, these are great. You can literally put two together. You can stagger them. You can decorate the page. These kits, there's just endless options. I'm not kidding. In your journaling, you can just use these over and over again. And then, of course, you just have the regular banner, 3 banner flag. There you go. Options. So I love these. These are absolutely amazing. And then you have the ones, and then you have just some plain flags down here. If you can see them, I'm sure they're not able to be seen because of my lighting. It's all me. I know. It's all what I did, but I'm sorry. So there you go. Now you can see that. Okay. So I love those. Now, another thing I really have loved in my journaling are the sticky notes. I think these are great. You can use them in your planner. You can use them in your, these are even fantastic for scrapbooking because you can label things in your scrapbooks. These are amazing. And in your journals as well, you do not have to just use this in your planner. You can use it everywhere. You can even use it in mixed media if you're using like one word, or if you have words printed on clear film, they fit in here beautifully. They're perfect in mixed media. It's so much fun. Okay, oh, last but not least, oh, I love these. Those are so sweet. I absolutely love this. And if you haven't noticed, I love that in DEK, we have a variety of women as far as ethnicity. We also have a variety of size. We have a variety of looks. It is really nice. And maybe you're a mom that's wanting to, or you're not quite a mom yet and you're trying. And I was there, and we were told we couldn't have children. So here are some beautiful, if you were going to make a card or do a page layout for somebody who is in that process. Yeah, I mean, it's just one of those lovely options. You can use these stickers and create something beautiful for somebody that you love. More decorative icons, more functional icons, more decorative type beautiful things. And I love that she does the church. I love it. So, and that church design reminds me of New Mexico, which, home away from home. All right, friends. So then with this comes some gorgeous washi. Look at that. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm not going to unwrap it because the birds are going to go crazy, but you can see it. It's just a beautiful peach gingham. I can't wait. I'll be planning with this today. So come on back. I will share this with you. And yeah. So again, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Leave a comment below. What is your favorite thing in the kit, or your favorite picture within the kit? The what am I trying to say? Image. What is your favorite image? And yeah. So I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope this encourages you to focus on the glass half full. What can we do that would be encouraging to those around us? Or let's get honest, when things get really tough, we need to stop and take a little bit of time and encourage ourselves. And that's an important thing. You got to take care of yourself, just like on the airplane. When that oxygen mask drops, who did they say to put that mask on first? They say, mommy's put it on, then put it on your children, or the person next to you, whatever, if you're trying to help someone. So I'm not advocating a selfish life, but I do think that there is something to do. There is something to be said for self-care and taking care of yourself. And the Bible really, whether you're a Christian or not, the Bible even says, we're to take care of this temple. And we are, to take care of our bodies. Something I've not done. I've not done. Even to the point that, my friends and my husband have been very clear, like, you have got to take care of yourself. Um, and the doctors have just totally scolded me for a week on that particular note. So I would just say, please take care of yourself. Do what feeds you. Do what encourages you. Do what helps you be the best that you can be. Okay? And find joy in your journey. There is joy in the journey, I promise. Okay, friends, I hope you guys like this. Thumbs up, all that good stuff. I'll be talking to you soon. Love y'all. Be safe. And yeah, bye, y'all.